In today's video, I'm going to teach you add images to data cards in Power BI. We'll walk through how to place an image directly on a card visual, why you might choose one source over another, and how to fine-tune the look so it complements your report. By the end, you'll be able to add a logo, an icon, or a data-driven picture to any card with confidence. Start by selecting the card visual you want to enhance. This is important because Power BI's formatting options are context-sensitive. Once the card is active, go to the Visualizations pane and open the Format Your Visual area. This is where all styling happens for the selected visual. Find the Images section and turn the image option on. As soon as you enable it, you'll see choices for how to bring in the image. You can upload a file from your computer, paste or type in a URL, or bind the image to a field in your data. Pick the approach that best fits your scenario. If you upload, choose a clean file like a PNG or JPG. Transparent PNGs work great for logos or icons because they sit nicely over any card background. Keep the file size modest so your report stays snappy. If you enter a URL, make sure the link points to an image hosted on a reliable, publicly accessible location. After publishing to the Power BI service, that link must still be reachable. Otherwise, the image won't render for viewers. If you select data, you'll point the image to a column in your dataset. Typically, that column contains web links to images for each row. For the best results, confirm that the field is formatted as an image URL, so Power BI treats it correctly. This option is perfect for cards that change based on filters, like showing a product photo alongside a key metric. With the image source set, use the formatting controls in the same Images section to refine the appearance. Adjust size and placement so the picture doesn't crowd your number or label. Use alignment, padding, and layout settings to keep everything balanced. If there's a fit or fill option, choose fit to maintain aspect ratio, and only use fill when you're okay with cropping. Consider subtle backgrounds or borders on the card to make the image readable without overpowering the metric. That's all there is to it. Select your card, open Format Your Visual, enable images, choose Upload, URL, or Data, and then fine-tune the visual so it looks polished. Save your report, and you're ready to share a card that's not just informative, but visually clear and branded.